In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create an interactive dashboard that pulls data from your Toggl account. And to do this, I'm going to use the free online web app Style BI. So to start off with, I signed into Style BI. I'm going to click Connected Data Source. Going to scroll through the list of available data sources until I find Toggl. Here it is. Select it, click Create. And in order to establish a connection to Toggl, I'm going to need to enter an API token. So to get my API token, I'm going to go to my Toggl account, going to click on the profile icon and click on Profile Settings. From there, I'm going to scroll down, and at the bottom where it says API token, I click where it says Click to Reveal to show my API token. I'm going to right-click, copy it, going to flip back over to Style BI and enter my API token into the section where it's labeled as such. Click OK. Next step is to click Create a Query. Select Toggl Query. And for this particular dashboard, I'm going to use the endpoint time entries. Scroll down, click OK. Next, I'm going to save my data worksheet. Click OK. Next, I'm going to click Create Dashboard. And I'm not going to use a visualization recommender for this dashboard, so I'm going to click Finish. Going to click Continue. Going to save my dashboard. Click OK. And now I'm going to click on the Edit button here to edit my blank dashboard. Okay, so to start off with, I'd like to create a chart that breaks down the time entries based on their tag. So I'm going to drag out a chart. Going to click Edit. Going to click through to Full Editor. And for my measure, I'm going to use duration, and I'm going to drag that into the y-axis. And then for my dimensions, I'm going to drag tags into the x-axis. And I think I'd like to add another dimension for color. So I'm going to select whether the tags are for billable tasks or not billable tasks. Okay. And I think I'm going to add a warning color. So for false, I'm going to change that to red since the task not being billable is not good. Okay. So now I'm going to click Finish. And I think now I'd like to add another chart that breaks down the time entries by description. I'm going to drag out a chart here, second one. Click Edit, click through the Full Editor. And I think I'm going to select a pie chart for this one. Okay. For my measures, I'm going to use duration again. And then I am going to drag description into the color section. Click Finish. Okay, so I have a pie chart breaking down the time entries based on their description. But as you can see, there's way too many descriptions for one chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my first chart so that it filters my second chart. So I'm going to select the first chart, right-click, select Properties. Then under Flyover, I'm going to select the second chart. Click OK. And now when I preview the dashboard, you'll see that as I hover over the different tags, I can see the breakdown of the different descriptions for the time entries under those tags. So for example, if I notice here that the biggest use of unbillable time is internal meetings, I can select it. And now I can see which type of meeting is most commonly held that is not billable. And I can save my view of the dashboard by downloading it as an Excel file. And that's how you create an interactive dashboard that pulls data from your Toggl account.